All right. Oh, hold on. I need to share the screen. Oh, there it goes. I had to maximize it a little bit. All right. Share. Let me know when you guys can see my screen. Is it showing?
I can see it now.
Okay, awesome. All right, so my name is Caitlin Reynolds. This is my math strategy, compare numbers, kindergarten, standard K point CC point C point 6 for the content knowledge course. Student learning outcomes. The domain is counting and cardinality. Standard states to identify whether the number of objects in one group is greater than, less than, or equal to the number of objects in another group by using matching and counting strategies. It also includes groups with up to 10 objects. The goal is, by the end of this lesson, students will be able to compare the number of objects in two groups by using the words greater than, less than, or equal to. The academic language that is with this lesson includes objects, which are food, toys, cups, and pencils, and groups, which is multiple objects that are the same, it would be one group, and numbers 1 through 10, which I had put on the side right here for you to look at, greater than, which equals more, and less than, which is a less. And these are the signs for that. This would be greater than, and then this would be less than. And counting, which that would be either counting with your fingers or you can point and count. And then matching, knowing what matching is. Matching is when the objects are the same, that means they are matching. We're going to go ahead and watch this video. Bear with me. There it goes. Okay.
Learn which group has less. Count your very best. You'll learn which group has more and which group has less. Here's a group of frogs hopping by the lake. And here's a group of... Let's count the frogs right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count the turtles right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here are 5 frogs. Here are 6 turtles. Which group has more or less? You answer before me. There are more turtles. There are less frogs.
All right. And then we're going to go on to what did you notice and what did you wonder? Let's start with Brittany.
Okay, I noticed that there are more or less of each group, and I wondered how can we compare larger groups, or even if we can.
Awesome, Brittany. Thank you for sharing. Jose.
Yes, I learned that you can have equal quantities of an object, and I wonder if I can compare different groups of quantities.
Awesome. Thank you, Jose, for sharing. So our next activity, exploration number 1, is in the real world. I need you to find 2 groups of objects in your home. Compare them by counting each group of objects. Write the name of each group of objects, amount of each group of objects, and which group has greater than, less than, or equal to objects on the next slide next to your name. You will give me a thumbs up when you're completed, and you will present this information to the class. Some time has passed. You found the objects. And Brittany, go first.
I decided to compare slices of bread and books. I had 3 slices of bread and 3 books, so they are equal.
Thank you so much, Brittany. Great job. And Jose?
Yes, I am comparing plants and magazines that I found in my house. I have 9 house plants and 12 magazines. They are not equal because I have 3 more magazines than plants.
Good job. And you counted to 12, so bonus points. All right. And our next activity is going to be a Kahoot It game. So we are going to play a Kahoot game. We'll click on this link. You'll enter the PIN number that I give to you, and then you'll enter your real name. I want you to try your best when answering the questions. I will read the questions and the possible answers to you out loud, and we will have enough time to answer the questions. I made sure of it. And I want you to click on the best answer. So let's go over here. Okay, let's see. And it's still loading.
Still
Let's look
loading.
at the PIN and enter it.
Okay.
803.
What is the game pen? It's not loading
The
for
PIN
me. I
is
can't see it on there.
8. Oh,
What?
oh, sorry. I guess we're having a glitch. It's 872-0803.
Okay.
Awesome. All right. Let me move this over. Let's start. Compare numbers quiz. 3, 2, 1. Quiz time. Which group has more greater than? Oh, we have to wait for the picture to load. The answers will either be books, Post-its, or they're equal, or none of the above. Oh, this is crazy. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Okay, let's start a different question. So since Kahoot is actually giving us some problems, we might not be playing Kahoot right now. Let's try it again one more time. Let's see if the picture loads. Oh, here we go. This picture loaded. So is it cars, bowling pins? They are equal or none of the above? Which group has less than? Good job. Okay. Which group has more greater than? Let's see if the picture loads. It would be balls, blocks. They are equal or none of the above? Banana. Good job. And then we have one more question. Ooh, Brittany, on the rise. Which group has less than less? Would it be pens, blocks? They are equal or none of the above? All right, let's see. Oh. Jose in second place. And number 1, Brittany. Woo! Good job. Thank you for playing. Even though we didn't get the first question, that's okay. It's Kahoot's fault. All right, let's go back. And next is our reflection. Share something you learned in this lesson below. I'll have Brittany go first.
I learned how to compare numbers from 1 to 10.
Awesome, Brittany. Good job. Jose?
And I learned that there could be many different ways of presenting quantities and with different objects as well.
Good job, Jose. Thank you so much. And that's my lesson. Thank you so much. Let me stop sharing. Let me hopefully go back to the Zoom.
So
And then
while the recording downloads, do not do anything. Do not move anything. Let it be thick because